contributed to a lot of
Listen,
shows.
I don't know the the only thing I know is
Pasadena
a
Media,
byproduct of
primarily in
Ballpark
LA, they had a
Franks.
lot of studio
Well,
shows.
They put
So I got
that's
invited
why
to do a
butter
lot of
sausage. I love butter
lectures on
sausage.
well,
You know,
specifically
byproduct.
subjects that
Let
I
me
found
explain. A
intriguing.
byproduct
And
is
so what I did
what did you
was
just
I
say?
published on my
Sausage?
website a
byproduct. That
consolidation
means there's
of
No,
a
but
number
I've
of
done a lot
different
of projects
subjects
in
I
LA.
lectured on,
studio
and also
projects.
things I did on a personal level. So what my website is really based
Pasadena
on is a
Media,
consolidation
primarily in LA,
of a number
they
of
had a
different
lot
subjects
of
where I discussed
studio
the physics.
shows. Our consciousness
So I
is
got
something
invited to
that
do a lot of
we have to
lectures on
proactively take initiative.
specifically
They
subjects
used to
that I
explore
found
something
intriguing.
called power
And so what
hypnagogy.
I did was I published
Power
on my
hypnagogy have
website a
two areas. You have
consolidation
hypnopompic
of a
and
number of
hypnagogic
different
hallucination.
subjects I
Hypnopompic
lectured on, and also
hallucination
things I
occurs
did on
on
a
the
personal level.
onset
So what
of
my
sleep.
website is really
Hypnagogic
based on is a
occurs on the
consolidation
offset. And what Einstein
of a
would
number
do
of
is
different subjects
he
where I
would doze
discussed the
off
physics.
with an object in his hand.
Is something
And
that
as you're about to fall asleep, the object will drop and he will wake
take
and
initiative.
do a lot. They used to explore something called power hypnagogia. Because if the brain transitions from different brain states, you have hypnopompic from the deep delta state, the theta state, back to the alpha, while it's transitioning, you may not be able to recollect. Hypnagogic occurs
Just
on the
like when you
offset.
try to
What
return
Einstein would
something
do
at
is he
at
would
Whole
doze off
Foods, if an
with
Amazon
object in his
product.
hands.
Sometimes they'll
And
tell you to
as
go to
you're about
another
fall asleep,
store.
the object
That
will
is
drop
such
and
a
he will
bad-
wake
Oh, we don't do
and
it.
remember
That's
his,
such a bad
his
analogy.
hallucination.
How
Because
dare
if the brain
you?
transitions
Our
from
first
different
fight.
brain states,
Yeah,
from
that's
the
a
deep
bad
delta
analogy.
state, the
No,
theta
but it's
state,
true. I
back to
just
the
went
alpha while it's
into
transitioning,
Whole Foods,
you may not be able to.
and I tried to return something, and they said, "No,
Just
this
like when
says you have try to to do it return another something store." At Whole Foods,
you
if
do that
an
sometimes.
Amazon product.
See, how you like it
Sometimes
that?
they'll tell you to go to another really store. like it.
That is such
Yeah.
a
Go,
bad.
oh, we don't do it.
Again, because people
That's
think
such a
I'm
bad
wealthy. So any
How
more
dare
deep
you?
questions
first
about
fight.
music,
Yeah,
drawing,
yeah, that's a bad
art?
analogy.
No, but it's true.
How
I
about
just went
Christmas?
into,
You celebrate Christmas?
into Whole
No.
Foods, and I tried to return
You don't
something,
believe
and they said,
in,
"No, this says you have to do it at
the
another store." Written whatever.
You do that sometimes. Because
Is
how
it
you
a
like
pagan thing? Do you,
I really
what do
like
you,
it.
How do you see Christmas?
Yeah, I'm not-
I
I'm
don't
not changing
focus on
again,
things
because
that
people think
don't
I'm
really
wealthy.
align with my
So any more
general
deep
interest.
I see it more of a
questions about
distraction.
music, drawing,
So I probably gonna
art.
spend Christmas studying stuff.
How about Christmas?
Drawing,
You celebrate
painting,
Christmas?
art,
No.
music. Just again.
You don't believe
know,
in
the
written
our state,
whatever.
our consciousness is something.
Is it a
that's-
pagan
we
thing?
have to
What do you? How do you see
proactively
Christmas?
take-
Guy
I
that
don't
bags
focus on
groceries
things
at the
that don't really
Ralph's
align with my general
down the
interest.
street.
I see
This
more
guy
of a
is.
distraction.
This guy glasses.
So
I want to
I'm
ask you a
probably gonna
question.
spend
You're
Christmas studying stuff. Drawing,
your
painting,
protagonist.
art, music.
Just
How
again,
do you feel about the Joker?
How do I feel about a Joker or the Joker?
The Joker himself. And who is your favorite villain?
Guy that bags groceries.
My favorite
villain is Ralph's. Guy that bags
down the
groceries.
street.
This guy is Ralph's. This guy glasses
wanna
down the
ask you a
street.
question.
This
You are-
guy
you-
is.
you're-
This
you're-
guy
you're
is
the
like he
protagonist.
just puts snot. He's always
Right.
got a
How
cold,
do you feel about the Joker?
and he's always wiping his
I-
nose and touching my. How do I feel about a Joker or the Joker?
the Joker himself. And who is your favorite villain?
Racquetball? And,
My favorite villain
well,
is
okay, we
this
didn't expect that.
guy that bags groceries at the Ralph's down the street. This guy is like he just puts snot. He's always got a cold, and he's always wiping his nose and touching my. Is this your workout routine, or is this how you meet
Racquetball?
the
You
opposite sex? Well,
I'll
that's-
tell you what will cause that. Lysergic acid diethylamide, LSD, or psilocybin, mushroom, or dimethyltryptamine. This big term for DMT. You know, any sort of psychoactive substance that alter your
Is this your
temporary
workout
or physical
routine, or is this
mind,
how you meet
transcends you
the
into
opposite sex?
a place
I-
of- and this is what Einstein
I'll tell you what
and
will
Hendrix
cause
used to do a lot. They used to
Lysergic
explore
acid
something called power
diethylamide,
hypnagogia. Power
LSD,
hypnagogia have two
or
areas.
psilocybin, mushroom, or
My
or
favorite villain
dimethyltryptamine.
is this guy that bags
for
groceries
DMT.
at the.
You know,
Because,
any
I mean,
sort
you're
of
not just the
psychoactive
jacket.
substance that alter your
Christopher
temporary
Reeve
or
is actually
physical
the altered
mind,
ego,
transcends you
and
into
not Superman.
a
He was
space of-
born
And
Superman.
this is what Einstein.
So he was
and
born a
Hendrix used to do a
superhero.
lot. They used to explore.
What is?
power
What, let me ask you a
hypnagogia.
philosophical question about something
Power
that's not
hypnagogia have
philosophical.
two areas.
Where do we go? My favorite villain is
when we
this,
sleep.
Guy that bags groceries
Power
at the.
hypnagogia have two areas.
Because,
And
I mean, you're not just
and
the
hypnagogic
jacket.
hallucination. Hypnopompic
Christopher Reeve is actually the
hallucination
altered
occurs
ego,
on the onset
and not
of sleep.
Superman. He was born
Hypnagogic
Superman.
occurs on the offset. And what
So he was
Einstein
born
would
a
do is
superhero.
he would doze
Oh.
off.
What is?
with
What?
an
Let me
object
ask
in
you a
his hand.
philosophical question
And
about
as you're
something
about
that's
to
not
fall asleep, the
philosophical.
object will drop
Yeah.
and he will wake
Where do
and
we
remember
go
his
when we
hallucination.
sleep?
Because if the brain transitions from different brain states, you have hypnopompic from the deep delta hallucination. Hypnopompic
Do you want a
hallucination
true,
occurs on the
genuine,
onset of sleep.
intellectual answer?
Hypnagogic occurs on the offset.
I don't know how
Einstein
long
would
does that
do it.
take.
He would
It
doze off.
Okay,
by the way, first
object
bit,
in
thank you,
hand.
thank you
As
for
you're about
booking
to
me on
fall
your show,
asleep, the
man.
object will
Third
drop
time
and
on
he
your
will
show. I'm super
wake.
excited.
It's
I'm
great
not-
to hear-
I know I
His
sound professional
hallucination.
right now, but I don't
Because if
give
the
a
brain
crap.
transitions
book
from
me on your
different
show,
brain
man.
states,
Thank you so much.
from
I'm
the deep
freaking
delta
Yo, I want to jump. Do you want a true, genuine, intellectual answer?
I don't know how long does that take.
Well, it take.
Okay,
By the way, first bit,
uh,
thank you for booking me on your show, man. Third time on your show, I'm super excited.
It's
I
great
know
to hear-
I know I sound unprofessional right now, but I don't give a crap. You booked me on your show, man. Thank you so much. I'm freaking Yo, I want to Jeff Richards show for the third freaking time. I'm so excited. Thank
Well,
you.
you know, you